Hi everybody, I'm Libby. Today I'm in the art studio to show you how I create all my paintings using just 5 colors. Learning to brush mix is easy once you know how. The secret to no stress painting is starting with a minimum of paint and supplies and using them to the fullest. To demonstrate this technique, let's create a custom color wheel following a template. Gather the 5 essential colors of acrylic paint in tubes in the brand of your choice: blue, red, yellow, brown, and white. Start by laying down your first 3 primary colors: blue, red, and yellow. Now let's mix those and create 3 more colors. These are called secondary colors. Using your brush, mix blue and red to make purple. Red and yellow to make orange. And yellow and blue to make green. Great! Now you've doubled the amount of colors you have. If you keep going, you can mix an endless variety of colors. If you add white to these colors, you create lighter versions, known as tints. If you add brown, you create darker versions, known as shades. When you add tints and shades to a base color, you create lighter and darker versions of that color. This is known as value. Now you can create shadows and highlights. Once you develop a feel for color mixing, you will love how easy it is. Now you can use your new skills and focus on learning techniques that create depth and dimension. With practice, you'll soon be creating paintings of your own. Thanks for watching!